big old rocks on they disgust me. Niggas talk but never touch me. Broke haters can't tell me nothing. Fuck it. Yeah, this that meat milk Gucci man. Young niggas swing through evidence, they gon' come right back through like a boomerang. Louis and selling my drip. He wanna get it like booty tape. He wanna be by the beat, but we all fucking hurt, so he don't know who to blame. She wanna chat for me, she got a chat for me, fucking the two baby bitches on Instagram, they on that ecstasy. Hey, diamonds like rose, and I got the sauce, I mix the recipe. For all this rapping shit, I was a trapper, the plug on invest in me. Jump on the porch, I got a Porsche, too many hitters, they can't start. I take a meal to the table, no fork. They spit it out with my dog like divorce. They shot at us, it was by force. We shot at them, they went to court. I don't wanna be with these niggas no more. I can't even be with these niggas no more. She only fuck trappers, end up fucking with a rapper. Damn bitch, how you go backwards? Diamonds all fall like Alaska. They ain't even none of my business.